Hello viewers, we will be continuing from where we stopped from the previous video. Okay, let's start by installing WordPress manually on a local machine using a wamp server. So first you are supposed to download WordPress from the official download page. So I have just clicked the download page here, and you click on the latest version from this link. Click here. I've already done this, so I will cancel, and I have it here. So first make sure you have downloaded it and you are with it on your machine. Next, you are supposed to create a new folder on your desktop and unzip WordPress in it, or you can extract it directly to the drive C where the wamp server has been installed. So first let's do that. So I just right click on my WordPress here, then extract files, then I choose my computer drive C, then wamp www, then I click OK. So I extract. If I navigate to drive C, then wamp, then www, I have my WordPress site here with this as the application files. We are supposed to navigate to a file named wp config sample.php, and we are supposed to rename it to wp config.php. So I come here, then I rename this. So I click rename, then supposed to be wp config.php. Then I'm supposed to edit this one. I have Dreamweaver installed, so I open it with Dreamweaver, or any notepad application would work out. Then we are supposed to find where we are supposed to define our database name and the database user, and also the database password. So we start with the database name. So this is the name that you are going to give your database. Or just come and find this right where we have the database name, and I give it the database name that will be created, grocery. Then the user should be root, then the password is empty for localhost, but in advanced cases we shall be setting passwords and the username. So for this case we just leave it at that, then you save your work. Now the database that we have created, we have to create it in wamp server. With your wamp server already on, just click on it, then php my admin, or just go directly to the web browser and type localhost /php my admin, then create new database called grocery, then create. Now you need to start your website by typing the location of your website. So in this case it is in localhost, then WordPress. After that you'll be taken to installation guide for WordPress. So start by choosing the language you will be using. The site title for our case will be a green grocery website, and the username for login in the administrator page will be admin, and the password is actually recommended that you use the one that is generated by WordPress, but you can define yours. So in this case, we are going to create ours. Please choose a more secure password. This is just for this example. Then confirm use of weak password. Then you need to type in your email. So for my case, I type this one at gmail.com. Then click install WordPress, and it is a must that you first create the database. After it has successfully installed, it brings out the success message and the default username, but the password is hidden and is the one that you have chosen during registration. After that, you are good to navigate to the administration panel. So click login. Login with your credentials. If you used an email, you can use it, or you can use the username. So we can use the username and the password. Then if you need to remember your password, hit the remember me. And if you have lost your password, you can always recover by lost your password by clicking here. So I log in, and here we are on the dashboard. The dashboard is where we will be operating from. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to get alerts on new updates.